Hello, my friends. Tonight I'm going to pour kind of a traveling ring pour with essentially just three colors. I have a family of reds here and blues and a neutral silver. And I'm using 4 Prizm pour colors, Ultrametallics in Water Dragon. Look at this. Look at this. I hope you can see how beautiful that is. And this one is called Frostbite. They're all beautiful. I can't pick a favorite. And then we've got Platinum Rose. I'm not a pink fan, but I do like this. And once in a while, I have to push myself to use colors I normally wouldn't, but that is pretty. And then lastly, True Silver. This is a brand new color. Look at that. And then I'm coupling it with 3 matte colors. I mixed this white with just a tiny bit of this color by Master's Touch Persian Red for a very, very pale pink. And then I mixed a Ultramarine Blue with Soho's Azo Red Deep to come up with this red violet. And lastly, I've got Payne's Gray, which has a blue cast to it, as you know. I've mixed all of these 2 to 1 with Floetrol. Added a little bit of water to the matte colors, but the Prizm pourer is exactly 2 to 1, no water added. So this is the order I'm going to layer the cup, probably 2 or 3 layers, so let's get going. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to start with the dark. Kind of run it down the side of the cup. Colourarte is running an inventory clearance sale through December, what is it, 3rd, I think. When you could save 25% off any Colourarte purchase by using coupon code Jeszeck 2125. I'll put it down below in the description box as well, along with their website. But if you're wanting to try Colourarte for the first time or restock, it's a good time to do it. After the 3rd, and I'm sorry, I'm pretty sure it's the 3rd. But when the sale is over, you can always save 20% by using my regular coupon code, which I will also put down below. I think this could be quite pretty. So I've got 3 of the metallics in a row. Okay. Whoop. Many of you know I'm not a pink fan, but I needed a light value color, and I did want to keep it in just 2 basic color families, so kind of had to mix up a light pink. I didn't want to use white. Okay, now I'll use up at least the blues. See how full this cup gets. This is a 12 by 24 inch canvas. Thank you again to everyone who has helped me reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers, and I hope you're all in on the giveaway I'm going to be doing. You have another day or two to subscribe and leave a comment if you haven't already. I'll link my video to the giveaway paintings up above here. And I'll top it off with the pinks. Or reds, rather. I just can't put that whole thing in there, but I will put all of this. Okay, let's see what we get. I'll go ahead and lay down this pink here just to use it up and have something to get started on my ring traveling pour. I don't usually bother with a base coat, and I'm certainly not considering this a base coat, but I might as well put it down. Okay. And here we go. Actually, I want to start up here. Kind of doing circular motions as I travel down the length of the canvas. I should have been doing more traveling up there. I'm not gonna make it to the end, but that's okay. Maybe I'll just pour the rest of it out here. Oh, isn't that pretty? Okay. Here we go. I love this effect right here. I wish it would stay like that, but let me bring that up. Right there. I just love the way that looks at this stage. And over here. Okay. Get to it. Sorry, I'm not saying anything. I'm just so mesmerized by the shimmer and glimmer here. But I'm just shifting the weight of the paint to the center, and now this way, just making it go where I want so I can get coverage. Oh, look at the pretty sides. I hate to see it go over the edge, but, you know, onto the surface here, but you got to do it to get coverage. And of course, that was a silly thing to say. Okay, now I'm going to go do the same thing over in this corner here. I'm going to sacrifice some of that pink. Okay, and now, ooh-wee. Wow, it's quite pretty. Okay, 2 more corners. So I'm going to bring the weight of the paint back to the center as much as I can, and then down here, and then boop, boop. I'm looking to see where the paint is moving the most, and that helps you determine where the weight of the paint is. And then you can more easily control where it goes. And the weight is clearly in the center there. So now over here. Sorry you can't see what I'm doing, but I have to be able to watch. Okay, I like it dark there. Okay, now I like this section. This has got a little too much movement in it, so I'm going to kind of send that back to get rid of that big bend. Okay. Wow. It's quite pretty. I think this right here is the only thing I would like to sacrifice. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to tilt that very edge off there. Boy, my narration is not good today. I'm sorry. It's been a very long day. Okay, or at least a good part of it. Now I want to bring it back. Okay, I think I may be done. I like it, my friends. Let me bring you in. Well, let me hit it with a torch and see if anything happens. Just a lot of air bubbles. Okay. Wow. I have to say, it's quite pretty. And here we go. Look at all that shimmer. There's the pink side. But it's not pink. Oh, why? Look at the look at in there. My finger's going to look gigantic, but right in there, isn't that interesting? It looks very dimensional. I'm happy, my friends. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.